What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Connor back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel, you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. What's good with it, YouTube, man? Muscle Gang, how y'all doing today, man? We out here with another day. This video today is gonna be the Impala again. Yes, sir. We're gonna have a lighting upgrade on this thing today. Go ahead and show y'all the little stuff that I did do already. For my Impala heads, I highly encourage y'all to go LEDs, and these right here, these are real bright. I changed these down here too, like real bright. But that was a little light upgrade I did on the inside. But exterior lighting is what we finna talk about today. We got Novsight LED headlights that just came in the mail. As y'all can see, if y'all watched my other video, I just did a LED headlight upgrade on my truck, and I went with a different brand. So I'm gonna do a review and install on the Novsight, and for I believe low beams, maybe high beams, but the 9005 bulbs, I got these off Wish. I'm gonna put the link in the description where I got both of these, but I think I got these for like maybe $5, a couple dollars extra for shipping. But yeah, I'm finna get ready to pop this hood and show y'all what these look like. Give y'all a quick before. Give y'all a quick before. That's what it looked like before on there. Y'all can kind of see a little bit. Try to close this garage. Y'all can see it a little bit better. But man, how y'all doing, Muscle Gang, man? Y'all don't talk about me because I look kind of thuggish in this video or whatever, but I'm not finna go rob nobody, okay? I'm not. But I'm just cooling today, y'all. I just hope y'all good today. But enough about me. This is the little headlight, how it shines on the garage or whatever. But that's just a little reference point. Turn these brights on. Hold on. Give me just a second. So those are the low beams. Those are the high beams. Show y'all what it look like from the other side. High beams, all four of them come on. So pretty sure y'all can kind of already tell that them gonna be. Yeah, man, as y'all can see, it's a little overcast today. Look kind of gloomy, a little sad outside. Look real sad. But get this hood popped. Get ready to put these up in here. For the ones that ain't seen the headlight install video, go check them out. I put the link in the description on that video too, where y'all can get them. I'm gonna go get my tools too. 7mm, and then you just gotta pull this out right here. So I'm finna go get that real quick and tap back in with y'all after I get that out. Now, so I'm just gonna do this one side right here. I'm gonna do it like I did on my truck. Go ahead and take this side out right here and show y'all what you call it, exactly what it look like. But yeah, 7mm. Get it on out. Yeah, 7mm. pull that on out. And they ain't gotta be nothing but finger tight when you do put them back on. Snatch this out real quick. All right, before I get that, I'm gonna go ahead and do this little unboxing and review. Man, first off, this is usually how you gonna get some stuff like that when you get, I mean, this is what you can expect from Wish right here, because you gotta understand how far this has gotta come to get here. So it's gonna pass through a lot of hands. So this type of stuff right here is almost inevitable, you know. But to think that these made it and, you know, they didn't have any issue. And I had a little cellophane over this, but without further ado, like I said, these are the H11 bulbs right here. As y'all can see, it's 6,000 K for Kelvin. The voltage right there, series number. So y'all let me know if that's a good, you know, so because I don't, this, I'm new to LEDs and stuff like that, but get these opened up. Come with some little instructions and stuff like that, whatever. I think these are the clockable ones to where you can kind of turn it or whatnot, but yeah, these, as y'all can tell, are two different brands, you know, and one's gonna look a lot more quality than the other one. So this is kind of what you can expect with a kind of more known brand versus a cheaper brand, and but yeah, these just look a whole lot nicer how they come, you know. So they both got fans on. Both got fans. This one looks to be a whole lot better quality fan, just by kind of way it looks. Looks to be a way better quality fan. As y'all can see, just looks a whole lot different. So I got fans on and whatnot, and I don't know, this one looked really good. This one looked really good. I like that one. Heat sink on it, feel really good quality or whatever. Versus these don't feel as good. But that's the unboxing on them and stuff like that, what you can expect straight out the box of the Novsight versus the no brand LED bulb. And they literally do not have a brand name on them. They just say LED headlight. So I'm curious. I'm very curious to see what I'm gonna get for the money versus this one right here, because I didn't pay too much difference in price, but like I said, I will let y'all know what I end up having to pay for these. But I'm gonna get one of these slapped in for the other side over there, and I'm gonna let y'all know. Let this phone charge for just a second. But I had to give y'all a quick unboxing, show y'all what come out the box or whatever, and just what you just get for getting a better brand, you know, paying just a little bit extra money. Like I said, the product packaging and all is just really enough. It just go above and beyond compared to what these people do. But we're gonna find out if that even makes a difference when we get it plugged in, because this don't mean nothing, you know. These right here could outperform these, you know, you never know, you know. So we're gonna find out. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all after I get through. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube, let's see how far since I cut y'all off. Don't look like I got anywhere. It's because I'm pretty much done. I am done, but had a little mess up, but you know, I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. Put these low beams on for y'all. These low beams on. These look crazy bright. That's look crazy. Really kind of don't even matter what LEDs you get. They just Better than factory. Things is way better. Let me close this up. These out the way. Oh yeah, 4-wheeler still running, y'all. 4-wheeler still running. The ones that know, 4-wheeler is still running. Way better. It just, that side look just 10 times better anyway, cause just got a white light and then the white DRL up there. Just better than halogen. The yellow just look crappy, outdated. Things look good though, man. They look good. They look good. Let me turn the brights on for y'all. Show y'all what it look like. Ten times better. 10 times better. 10 times better, man. Thumbs up, bro. I'm digging it. That's hard. That's hard, bro. That is hard. Gotta get a thumbs up, bro. And ain't nothing wrong with the wish ones, but when you getting stuff off of there, they prone to messing stuff up. So I know I ordered a high beam and a low beam, but they ended up sending me some kind of different bulb. I don't know, but it's not right. So my low beam ain't right. My low beam ain't right. So I'm gonna have still them stock yellow uglies in there until I do get them in. Matter of fact, before I do that, I'm gonna see if I can switch them out to high and low beam with them other ones, so that way I can still run them. But one of them gonna have to go. But I'm gonna show y'all the issue I just had or whatever with that. I like it though. I like it. It's good. I can see fan running on the back, but when I ordered this, like I said, well, I know I ordered the right one, but the it's this black part on the top is too big to go around that little opening, so all it does is just sit on there. Like, as y'all can see, those black little fins don't even have a spot to go into. It's basically too big. So what I'm gonna do is see if I can just switch those out, see if they're interchangeable, and I'm just gonna be stuck with them right there. So that's what I'm finna do. Then I'm finna get ready and change that out. But after I get through with that, I'm gonna let y'all know what everything ends up looking like and what I ended up going with. So tap back in with y'all after I get through. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube, chime back in, man. Chime back in. What I ended up doing, I just ended up using these right here. Luckily, the good ones. I ended up using these for my low beams instead of the high beams. So lucky for you people that's gonna be on the other side of me, I'm gonna blind y'all. Yeah, it's time to get blinded. But yeah, I'm running them in my low beams instead of my high beams. But as y'all can tell, those you can run in the low or high beams. So that's what I'm end up running for the low beams right there. So yeah, finna get them switched over. Put the new ones over here, and then show y'all what it look like after I get done with that. But that's pretty much it. So tap back in with y'all after I get that done. Yes, sir. But yeah, before I install this, I don't know anybody else with these aftermarket headlights that's doing this, but as I said, they have the plus and minus on here, positive and negative. So to make it easy, so you don't have to go and try to turn it on and see if it's working or not. On these headlights, these aftermarket, there's a black wire and a green wire. You know, just like for the other side or whatever, for these right here, there's a black wire that goes to it. The black wire is always going to be a negative. So if you just go ahead and just line it up, that is going to go with the black wire, which is going to be like this on this side, and it's just going to pop right up in there. And I know it's going to go straight on instead of me having to go run back in there and see if it's working or not. So if you do have aftermarket headlights, or if you do know your wiring diagram, that just makes it a whole lot easier, so you don't have to do that. But that was all. Alright, YouTube, we in on the other side now. We in on the other side. I just thought of something, man. Something I could do. These corner lights on the side, they supposed to be white or whatever. They're the, you know, old yellow ones too. They're the ones for the side. So I'm gonna actually go put in, see, that's what it looks like right there. I'm gonna put in some LEDs right there. For now, that's a wrap for today's video. I'm digging the upgrade. I don't even got to say that no more, man. Y'all can already tell these are gonna be bright. Look at that. This is in the daytime. Y'all can see they on, whatever, shadow from in there. So if that don't say that they bright, then I don't know what to tell y'all, man. So guess that's it. 'Cause I know I'm not gonna build it more, although I got LEDs sprawled around here everywhere. But now, that's gonna be a wrap. Hope y'all enjoyed this little short and sweet LED headlight upgrade on the Impala. But another thing done to that. So next video coming soon. Y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for staying subscribe with me and post it, and support don't go unnoticed, man. I appreciate it. Y'all just stay with me. Most Edition signing out. Yes, sir. Just chiming back in real quick, just showing y'all both the vehicles with the LEDs in them. Good look. Got both of them with the LED bars in them. Got them how I want them now. Video coming soon on fog light install. Next one, Impala. Just chiming back in and showing y'all that though. But yeah.